What are the basic electrical components? Here is a list of 20 frequently encountered electrical components along with a brief description of their function. Resistor. A resistor controls the flow of current in a circuit. It's like a valve for electricity. Resistors come in different resistances, measured in ohms, omega. Capacitor. A capacitor stores electrical energy in an electrostatic field. It can be thought of like a tiny rechargeable battery. Capacitors are rated by their capacitance, measured in farads, F. Inductor. An inductor opposes changes in current. It creates a magnetic field when current flows through it, and any attempt to change the current will be resisted by this field. Inductors are rated by their inductance, measured in henries, H. Diode. A diode allows current to flow in one direction only. It acts like a one-way street for electricity. There are many types of diodes, with LEDs, light-emitting diodes, being a common example. Transistor. A transistor is a semiconductor device that can amplify or switch electronic signals and electrical power. It's like a miniature electronic valve. Transistors are the fundamental building blocks of modern electronic circuits. Integrated circuit, IC and IC, also called a microchip, is a tiny circuit board containing millions or even billions of transistors and other electronic components. ICs are the heart of modern electronic devices. Battery. A battery is a device that converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Batteries come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny button cells used in watches to the large lead-acid batteries used in cars. Switch. A switch is a device used to interrupt or change the flow of current in a circuit. There are many different types of switches, including toggle switches, push buttons, and rotary switches. Fuse. A fuse is a safety device that protects circuits from overheating due to excessive current. A fuse contains a thin strip of metal that melts when too much current flows through it, thus interrupting the circuit. Circuit breaker. A circuit breaker is a reusable safety device that functions like a fuse. It can be reset after it trips, whereas a fuse needs to be replaced. Connectors. Connectors are used to join electrical wires or cables. There are many different types of connectors, each designed for a specific purpose. Relay. A relay is an electrically operated switch. It uses a small amount of current to control a larger current in a separate circuit. Relays are often used to isolate low-power control circuits from high-power circuits. Potentiometer. A potentiometer is a variable resistor with 3 terminals. By adjusting the knob or slider, you can change the resistance between the center terminal and either of the other 2 terminals. Potentiometers are often used as volume controls in audio equipment. LED. Light-emitting diode and LED is a special type of diode that emits light when current flows through it. LEDs are very energy efficient and are becoming increasingly common in lighting applications. Photodiode. A photodiode is a light-sensitive semiconductor device that converts light into current. Photodiodes are used in a variety of applications, including solar cells and optical sensors. Thermistor. A thermistor is a type of resistor whose resistance varies with temperature. Thermistors are used in a variety of applications, including temperature sensors and overload protection circuits. Piezoelectric transducer. A piezoelectric transducer is a device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy or vice versa. Piezoelectric transducers are used in a variety of applications, including microphones, speakers, and accelerometers. Electrolytic capacitor. An electrolytic capacitor is a type of capacitor that has a very high capacitance for its size. Electrolytic capacitors are often used in power supply circuits to smooth out the ripple voltage from a rectified AC signal. Transformer. A transformer is a device that transfers electrical energy from one circuit to another circuit by changing the voltage and current levels. Transformers are used in a variety of applications, including power distribution and voltage